Last time I shared the 30 days Duvida in your order to cash cycle. Let's zoom into the order system right now. Are you facing any of these 5 problems, common problems? Number 1, human errors, which are detected later in the cycle. Number 2, person dependent, their availability. वो होंगे तो काम होगा, नहीं हुए तो काम नहीं होगा. Number 3, I think most critical, the attritions, new people joining in, and how soon, how fast you are making them productive. Number 4, volume and the limited capacity of people we have to process our orders. And number 5, a lot of approvals and disapprovals processes. How are we addressing these problems? We are there to help you by eliminating these problems and ensuring that your overall turnaround time is reduced. Every hour saved is penny saved. Do reach out to us. See you next time.